Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a meeting with Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha MPs from southern states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar. In the interaction, the Prime Minister underlined the emphasis the BJP intends to place on the southern region where its electoral footprint remains limited. Karnataka, one of the party's oldest strongholds, is the only southern state where the BJP has consistently performed well, but the party wants to make inroads in other southern states as well, especially with the focus being on Tamil Nadu and Kerala, both the states from south, heading into election early next year. The Prime Minister met all these MPs in Delhi and has sent a very clear-cut message on the party's emphasis on South India and how the party needs to improve its performance in the coming few elections. In fact, CNN News 18's Payal Mehta now joining us for more on this. Payal, a crucial meeting considering that Tamil Nadu and Kerala head into polls early next year.
Yes, the Prime Minister in fact met with the MPs from South, which also include Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and of course Kerala. Kerala and Tamil Nadu going into election next year as well. But the Prime Minister's focus was largely on the state of Telangana because the BJP could have very much won that election in 2023, but the BJP was not able to pull its performance up the way they really should have. That is something which was highlighted by the Prime Minister, essentially telling the party that it is important to understand that, when only 2 or 3 states would vote for the BJP, one of the states was Gujarat, and the other state, unfortunately or fortunately, was Telangana as well. And Telangana has not been able to give them that kind of results that was expected as well. As far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, he's considered to have told them that it is important to understand and tell people, Harish, that the BJP has done a lot of work to improve the lives of people of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, and that Kamal has already risen in Kerala because they now have one Lok Sabha seat there as well. Just the day, in fact, yesterday he had this meeting. Just the day before that, he met with all the members of parliament from Karnataka, and he echoed the same sentiments that one has to work on the ground, one has to work for the cause of the people. And Karnataka is a very, very rich ground, given the fact we know exactly what really is happening. That is something which is not unknown to anybody, including the Prime Minister as well. So he asked his people to stay connected to the ground, connect with people's issues, and make sure that they are able to see that the consistency which is there on ground remains as far as all the southern states are concerned. And the overarching thought of the Prime Minister essentially has been, Harish, that South is very, very important because South has to go on the path of development, and that can only happen if they have double engine growth government.